This is the first of a series of videos to show you how to use syntax search to find grammatical patterns and expressions in the Greek New Testament. Some of the things you can search for using syntax search include finding occurrences of specific grammatical and syntactical structures, such as a subject comprising an article followed by a noun. An example of this is where the logos is spoken about 3 times in John 1:1. Finding where the same verb occurs twice in a sentence, such as in Hebrews 1:1-2, which refers to God having previously spoken through the prophets, but now having spoken to us through his Son. This video provides an overview of what a syntax search is and the sort of results that can be obtained. It also discusses where you would use a syntax search as opposed to any of the other search capabilities in Logos. Finally, it outlines what the other videos in this series will focus on. The syntax search capability is designed to search specifically tagged resources based on their grammatical structure, so it enables you to find patterns you are interested in. The panel on the left shows a simple syntax search definition, and its results are shown on the right. This demonstrates some important things about syntax searches. They run against specifically tagged versions of the biblical text. They take account of structure and ordering. In this example, the 2 words being searched are within the same sentence, and word 2 appears in the sentence after word 1. The anything element means that the 2 terms can be separated by other words or clauses. You can specify the morphology of the terms you're searching for, along with a range of other characteristics. You can specify things the words have in common, such as root or a range of other factors. They can span verse boundaries, unlike some of the other Logos searches, as shown in the results for Luke 1:8-9, where the first result is in verse 8 and the second is from verse 9. There are other powerful search capabilities within Logos, and the syntax search is probably the most difficult to set up, so it is worth understanding how they compare. If you are not familiar with any of these, please see the relevant training videos. A morph search allows you to search for particular morphologies and to specify the order of the search terms. But it does not provide the ability to specify agreement between the search terms or the type of construct, such as a sentence, that contains them, and it only works within verse boundaries. The morph search shown here finds all occurrences where a verb appears before a noun within a single verse. As we would expect, there are a lot more results than from the syntax search, because the search parameters are much less precise. A morph query provides similar capabilities to the morph search, but also supports spanning multiple verses and the ability to specify agreements. So it is closer to the syntax search, but you can't constrain the results to clauses or sentences. The clause search finds occurrences of particular terms, such as verb, subject, or sense, within a clause, but there is no capability to specify the full range of grammatical objects, such as a noun, nor to specify agreements. Each of these other search types are really helpful and powerful, and if they do provide what you're looking for, are the best options to use. But if you are looking for detailed, precise pattern matching, the syntax search option is probably going to be best. Other videos in this series will look at the tagged resources available to carry out syntax searches in the Greek New Testament and discuss their different capabilities. Demonstrate how to use the syntax search editor to create queries, and work through some specific examples to show some of the capabilities available